Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Partners in Cream project pan update. So if you're interested in seeing the progress I've made in the last month, then just keep on watching. Before we do that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright guys, so before we get into the updates, I just want to say this was created by Steph Lyons and Delin from Outward Processing here on YouTube. I will link their channels down below, and also the rules and any playlists and things like that you need to know. In this project, we are panning cream products, no powder products allowed. I believe it's 3 to 6 items, and then there is a quarterly refresh. I'm not participating in the quarterly refresh right now. I think it's this update. But the products I have in here, I'm trying to finish, so I'm not going to be participating in the quarterly refresh, but there is that option. So with that all being said, I think I said everything I need to say. So let's just hop into the update. So first up, we have my Flexitarian Highlight. I used this 12 times in the last month, and if you've heard my last few project pan updates, I've not been wearing makeup as frequently this month. Like, I've still wore it a lot, but like not as much as I used to. And I just didn't use this as much. I feel like this is the most slow going highlight ever. I'm working on just like pulling this side down. It just feels like it's lasting forever, and I don't know that I can finish it this year. I really thought I could. I'm trying to focus on it more. I'm trying to layer it under other highlights just as like a base. Even if I don't want this icy white highlight, if I want gold, I'll like just put gold on top. It's so slow going. I thought it would be going a lot faster than it is, but I'm still determined to use as much of it up as I can this year. So it's just slow going. One day it'll be finished. It's still like good as new, like it's not drying out yet, so that is very good. Next up, we have my lip gloss, and it's done. Last update I had the stopper out. It flew by. I only used it twice since the last update, and then it was done, so I probably could have called it last update, but I could probably scrape some more out, but there's really, I don't know if it'll focus, there's really like nothing in there, just like a little bit on the sides. I didn't love this gloss, so I'm glad to have it done. Yeah, I'm just glad to have it done. I didn't find it a memorable gloss. I felt you could feel the shimmer glitter particles like on your lips, so I didn't love that. And I'm just happy to have another gloss out of my collection. I didn't expect it to go this fast, like 2 updates, but I'm just, apparently it's, painting gloss is one of my strengths, I guess. Highlight, clearly not. But yeah, I'm happy to have another gloss out of my collection. Next up, I have a lipstick, and it is my Third Eye lipstick from ColourPop. And there is progress on it. There's still a decent amount left. I'm hoping to get it done by the end of the year. I've used it 7 times in the last month, which is pretty good. I will show you where I marked it. Is that blue line right there. So not as much as other months, which I was kind of surprised about, but we are making slow progress, and I can't wait to have this finished. It will be done this year. I know it will. I'm just kind of tired of it. I could try using it as a blush, but I don't like to use lip products as blushes. I'm afraid they're going to break me out, and I have enough blushes as it is. I don't know. Maybe I should start trying to use it as a blush. It's not the most creamiest lip formula. Like, it's pretty stiff. Like, not stiff as it doesn't glide on the lips, but it's just, it's not as creamy as other lipsticks. So that's probably why it's taking longer. But I'm not discouraged. I'm going to keep using it, and hopefully it'll be done by the end of the year. Next up, we've got my e.l.f. concealer. This is in the shade Fair Beige. I don't particularly love this concealer. My markings are like wearing off, but as you can see, there is not a lot of stuff in here. It's really just like along the sides. There's like nothing on the bottoms. There's not as much product coming off on the wand. Like, as you can see, this is just what came off. So I really just gotta scrape the sides. I don't know if you can see in there. There's not a lot left. I probably won't take the stopper out because I don't care enough to. I don't love this concealer. I'm just trying to use it up. I'm hoping in the next 2 months, I keep saying this, the next 2 months. I'm hoping in the next 2 months I will be done with this because I'm just tired of it. I'm not gonna like roll it out because I'm so close to the end. I just want to finish it. But I would like to finish this and roll something new in. So hopefully in the next few months I can actually do that. And then next up we have my Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. I'm just focusing on the liquid highlight part. And I didn't mark it, but I'm like right here, like somewhere right here. It was up all the way here. There was a huge air bubble in it, so there was a big portion of progress, but we're getting to the end. I used this, oh, by the way, I used the concealer 16 times. I used this 11 times. I've been mixing it in with another primer I'm project panning just to get some use on it, and it looks really pretty that way. I wouldn't repurchase this, but it is nice. And I'm just going to be happy to have it out of my collection. I have the Hollywood Flawless filter, which is a mini. I bought the Lisa Eldridge one, and I also bought another one from Sephora. So I have a lot of glowy base products, mix-in products, so I don't really need this, and it's just fine. You know, it's just fine. I liked mixing it in with my Milani foundation, but I used that up. So that's why I haven't been using it as much lately. I used to wear it like almost every day with that foundation. So hopefully in the next like 2 months this will be gone. I'm not going to cut into the tube because I don't care enough to. And yeah, I don't know why I'm dragging this on, but it's fine. And then the last and final item is a total fail. It's my In Harmony Super Shock Shadow. I'm trying to hit pan on all of mine like many other people in this project. And I haven't used it once in this project. In the last month I did not use it once. I'm filming this like a week in advance just because it's Saturday. This is going up next Thursday. I probably won't have time to film it so it can go up in time, so I'm just filming it now. I would like to use this pretty soon. I meant to use it today, and then I did this look. Yeah, I don't really have a reason why I didn't use for it. I've just been using other things. I don't know. I'm gonna try to use it and hit pan in the next month because I want to hit pan and just rotate the next one in. Really, I have 3 products that have been in here since the beginning. Flexitarian, the Highlight Mix-In, and my e.l.f. Concealer. And then basically my Super Shocks and my gloss has been rotating through the project. I finished the e.l.f. gloss and I thought about rolling another lip product in, like another gloss or a lip balm. But honestly, I've been panning so many lip products this year, and I have 2 glosses in my 20 and 21 project pan that have usage goals on them that I just want to take a break from lip products. Like I have my lipstick and I have my 2 glosses. Let's take a break. I'm going to roll in my Tarte 28 cream blush in the shade Magic Hour. This is just a really nice, like goes with anything, like just rosy nude blush. I really, really like this blush, and my goal is going to be do I want to hit pan on it? And I think I'm going to set a goal to actually hit pan on this. If I want to refresh it at the quarterly refresh, I'll do that. But let's try to hit pan on this guy. It's a relatively new blush to my collection, but I thought, let's try to get some pans. So yeah, this will be a nice new addition to my project. So yeah, we're going to be rolling this guy in. Alright you guys, so with that all being said, that is my Partners in Cream update for this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how your Partners in Cream or other projects are going in the comments down below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!